So let's dive into the best practices for uploading videos on YouTube and ensure that your content reaches its full potential. One common mistake many creators make is relying solely on the YouTube mobile app for uploads. While the app is convenient, it often lacks the advanced features available on the desktop version, which can limit your video's potential reach and quality. To maximize visibility, it's crucial to activate features such as custom thumbnails, end screens, and cards, which are more easily managed on a computer. These tools not only enhance the viewer's experience, but also encourage engagement, leading to higher retention rates and better performance in search results. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can ensure that your content stands out in a crowded marketplace. In this discussion, we will set the expectation that viewers will learn the correct methods for uploading videos, including the importance of optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. We will also cover how to analyze your audience's preferences and tailor your content accordingly. By following these guidelines, you can avoid common pitfalls and create a more professional and appealing presence on YouTube. Embracing these alternative methods can make a significant difference in a creator's journey on YouTube. The mobile app allows users to quickly record, edit, and upload content directly from their smartphones, making it an attractive option for those who are just starting out. However, this ease of use comes with significant limitations. The mobile app lacks many advanced features available on the desktop version, such as the ability to create custom thumbnails, add end screens, and utilize cards effectively. These features are crucial for enhancing viewer engagement and improving the overall quality of the video presentation. As a result, relying solely on the mobile app can negatively impact a video's reach and engagement. Without the ability to optimize these elements, videos may not attract as many viewers or retain their attention, leading to lower watch times and engagement metrics. This can hinder a creator's growth and visibility on the platform, making it more challenging to build a dedicated audience. Therefore, it's essential for new creators to consider alternative uploading methods such as using a computer for uploads. Prioritizing subscriber engagement is a strategic approach that can lead to a thriving channel, as satisfied viewers are more likely to share content and recommend the channel to others, amplifying its reach and impact. By understanding the interests and preferences of their subscribers, creators can tailor their videos to meet these needs, ensuring that the content resonates with viewers who have already chosen to support their channel. Engaging regular viewers not only enhances video reach, but also fosters a sense of community, encouraging subscribers to share content with their networks. This organic promotion can lead to increased visibility and attract new viewers who are likely to become subscribers themselves. Moreover, building a strong relationship with subscribers is essential for better retention. When creators actively engage with their audience through comments, social media, and community posts, they create a more personal connection that encourages viewers to return for future content. This interaction can also provide valuable feedback, allowing creators to refine their approach and produce videos that align with their audience's expectations. Additionally, recognizing and appreciating loyal subscribers through shoutouts or exclusive content can further strengthen this bond, making viewers feel valued and more likely to remain engaged. Ultimately, by focusing on existing subscribers and nurturing these relationships, creators can cultivate a loyal fan base that not only supports their current endeavors, but also contributes to long-term growth. By following these steps, you can effectively use YouTube Studio to manage your uploads and create a more engaging channel for your audience. To get started, first access YouTube Studio by logging into your YouTube account and clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Create button, usually represented by a camera icon with a plus sign, and click on it to begin the upload process. This will take you to the upload screen where you can drag and drop your video file or select it from your device. During the upload, it's crucial to select the right features to optimize your video's visibility. This includes adding a compelling title, a detailed description, and relevant tags that accurately reflect your content. Additionally, consider creating a custom thumbnail that captures attention and encourages clicks. After uploading, organizing your videos into playlists is a great way to enhance viewer experience and improve channel navigation. By activating these essential features during the upload process, you can create a more engaging experience for your audience, ultimately leading to greater growth and success on the platform. One of the most important aspects is notifying subscribers about new uploads. By enabling notifications, you ensure that your audience is promptly informed when fresh content is available, which can lead to increased viewership right after the video goes live. This immediate engagement is crucial for building momentum and encouraging interaction with your content. Another vital feature to consider is the AI content settings, which play a significant role in video categorization. YouTube's algorithms analyze your video's metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags, to determine its relevance and categorize it appropriately. By accurately setting these parameters, you can improve your video's discoverability, making it easier for potential viewers to find your content through search results and recommendations. Additionally, incorporating end screens and cards is essential for maximizing viewer retention and promoting further engagement. End screens allow you to direct viewers to other videos, playlists, or even encourage them to subscribe to your channel at the end of your video. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel and create a thriving community. First and foremost, utilizing YouTube Studio for video uploads is essential. Unlike the mobile app, which has limitations in features and functionality, YouTube Studio offers a comprehensive set of tools that allow you to optimize your videos effectively. By taking advantage of these features, you can ensure that your content reaches its full potential and engages your audience more effectively. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of focusing on your current subscribers for growth. By prioritizing content that adds value to your existing audience, you can foster a loyal community that not only supports your channel, but also helps promote it through word of mouth. Engaging with your subscribers and building strong relationships will lead to better retention and increased viewer interaction. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more valuable insights and tips.